Thursday, 9/24. All right, so this first question says, which combination of coins could you use to show $1.31? I'm going to do it in what I think are the least amount of coins because I like to be efficient. There's obviously other ways you could do it. So I know that the fastest way to make $1 could be 2 50-cent pieces, but more than likely, the most common use is the quarters. So I'm going to do 25. There's $1. And then this would be 25. I need 30. So that would be a nickel. And then 1 for 31. So there's $1.31. I think that's probably the fastest, most common way to do it. Obviously, you could have used 3 dimes and a penny for the 31. You could have used 10 dimes for the $1. There's lots of different ways you could do it. Okay, number 2. Texas has 38 electoral votes in a presidential election. California has 17 more than Texas. How many electoral votes does California have? Well, what are we starting with? Well, the information is we have 38, but then California has 17 more. If they have more, does it make sense to add or subtract? Well, if I subtract, I'm not going to get more. So I'm going to add 38 plus 17. 8 plus 7 is 15. Well, 8 plus 8 is 16, so 8 plus 7 is 15. If you can't remember that, use what you know, figure out what you don't know. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So California has 55 electoral votes. I like to label it because then I can think about if my answer makes sense. Number 3, which of the following is incorrect? That means not correct. So let's use our 2 dot, 1 dot method. Is 231 less than 298? Yes. Is this equal? Yes. 42, 741, 43. But this is saying 42 is greater than 43. Remember, because 2 dots for the greater number, so that looks wrong to me. Then I have 99, then I have a 2 and a 4. 2 is less than 4, and this is showing 2 is less than 4. So this is correct. So this has to be your answer. Steve has 25 baseball cards and 54 football cards. What is the total number of cards he has? In this case, since we have and here, we know that's going to be addition, because when I put things together, it's adding. So 25 plus 54. Total does not always mean add. A lot of times it does, but I can have to figure out my total after I took money out. So don't think of total as always add. It's really about what's happening, and what's happening here is I'm putting the cards together. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. He has 79 cards, and that makes sense because that number is greater than both of those numbers. And 25 would round to 30. 54 would round to 50. That's 80 if I were estimating. And look, 79 would round to 80. That's really close. So this makes sense.